MeghalayaPost.news.
Regional Committee ka Meghalaya ka deban pet binabat kat kum ka notification Jong Snem kat khandai spa san pupra namar house Snem kat khandai spa san punyo la penong ya jing jurip lang nadu ka Assam bat Meghalaya halor ki khendau ki siap ha block 1 bat dei hadien balaya pruit dak lang ya ki put ki sam Naka Assam bat Meghalaya ka kaipot kalami house Snem kat khandai spa san pupra bala pen pau shai ba ki khendau ki siap ha block 1 ki dei ki bala long trai da ki penar bat dei ban pen pai biang ya ki ti jaka ki puta shaki penar ong uba Thomas Pasa uba spokesperson ka Neutral Border Dispute Redressal Forum baru badairu working president ka Knam ya kini la keran ruba Thomas Pasa mentaka sengi hadian bekila lent ban IT da ka dorkas syau menteri rengba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ban penpau yu kinong rim ban pentri kam ha kini ka jing beteng ban Pynbeit Pud Pynbeit Sam ha pedeng ka Assam ban Meghalaya ka bala dairu ha kawat ka baar kanong sisa ka jing kta ka bajur ber ka jing sngosi e ka forum bade ki patba la Naka Sorkar la ni ka regional committee kan kentat ya ka tei ka kaipot Jong Snem kat khandai spa san pupra hagini ke jing beteng ya ka kam Pynbeit Pud Pynbeit Sam.
Meghalaya, through its notification dated 30th of June 2026, has notified the constitution of the committees for verifying the 6 remaining disputed area between the state of Assam and Meghalaya. And when we go through the notification, we have seen that there is a term of reference. And in the term of reference, it is clearly stated that to examine the status of the population of villages as per a census record including ethnicity, and it also includes that to visit each and every village and interact with the communities living in the village, including the elected representative of the autonomous district council and other stakeholders, to learn about the perception of the people living in the area. There is also another clause which states that to document the factual information regarding the physical and time-wise distance between the villages to a nearest polling services delivery point or administrative unit. So we have seen that this term of reference that the government of Meghalaya has noted down, they are quite satisfying. And we have today given a letter to the Honorable CM insisting that all these conditions that have been notified by the government of Meghalaya should be followed in letter and spirit, which means we want the committee with respect to the block 1 and block 2 to go to the ground zero, speak to every villages, then only we can come at a real-time conclusive report. Because we fear that as per the MDA1 committee, we have seen that the members of the regional committee have not visited the villages. They just sat in one room and did the documentation, which might lead to error report. So to ensure that there is no error in the report of the regional committee and the report is up to the satisfaction of the people living in the border area and of the people of the Meghalaya, we want that the regional committee should follow all the guidelines given in the term of reference of the notification dated 30 June 2026 in letter and spirit, so that we can ensure that there is a proper duty being carried out by the regional committee. And one more, we have met the CM in the past, I think less than a month in his residence. We have handed him over a notification dated of the year 1958, and we would request that this notification dated 1958 issued when there was a government of Assam, there was no state of Meghalaya. We wanted that the regional committee and the state of Meghalaya should not look away from this notification 1958, because in 1957 a joint inspection has already been carried out by both Assam and Meghalaya into the aspect of the block 1, and after the ground demarcation by both sides, a report was out in 1958, and this 1958 report has clearly stated that majority of the area belongs to the Panar people, and therefore they should be transferred back to the state of Meghalaya. And it would be very sad if the government of Meghalaya or the regional committee would sideline this report back in 1958.
MeghalayaPost.news.